Hey doodlers, I'm Doodle Dog. Grab a pencil and let's draw together. Today we're going to draw cute cherries. Let's doodle! Okay, we're going to start right about here in the center of the page and we're going to draw this cherry on the left first. And it's a big kind of circle shaped line, but it has like kind of curves in like a heart a little bit. So let's start right here and do the outer shape of it. Remember, you can always pause the video if you need more time. It's a long line, so take your time. There's no rush. And we're going to stop right about there. We're going to leave a little opening here. This is where the stem's going to come out. So let's draw the line where the stem goes into the cherry. And it's just a curved kind of smile face line here, starting right about here. It's going to go across like that. And now from that point here, let's draw the stem all the way up here and curve it off at the top. Cherries have long stems. Curve it off on the top here, and then we're going to go back down and keep kind of an even thickness with the other side line here, down, and then back into the cherry like that. And then up here at the top, let's do a little curved line so it's the top of the stem like that. And now let's do 2 leaves off of the stem here on the top here. So starting right about here on the top of the stem, we're going to do an almond shaped line. So it's going to curve up, over, and stop and have a kind of a point. And then we're going to come back around and have it come back up to the stem like that. And we're going to have the leaf overlap another leaf. So here on this side of the leaf, let's do a curved line down like this. And then we'll come back up to the stem like we did on the other one, like that. And now inside the leaves on the cherry, let's do some interior lines, a little bit thinner lines here. So starting here, let's just have it curve out and stop. And then we'll do a couple of lines off of it like that. And let's do the same on this one. So starting about here, we'll do a curved line out and stop, and then a couple of lines out like that. Okay, now let's draw the face on this cherry before we start the other cherry. So here, we'll do a circle right about here for one of the eyes. And now let's draw the other eye right about here. Right in the middle of that cherry body, like that. And then let's do highlights on these. So a smaller circle inside of that circle, and a smaller circle inside of this circle, like that. And now let's color it in black. Color this one in black. And let's do 2 little eyebrows above the eyes like that. And now let's do the mouth. So we'll do a smile right between the eyes. We'll do a smiley face like that, with little cheeks. And we'll have the mouth open like this. And we'll put a tongue in there. Let's color the mouth in black. It's like our other characters we do on this channel. Maybe we do a little nose line on this guy like that. Oh, that's cute. Okay, now let's do the other cherry, and we'll start with the stem of the cherry and we'll come down to where the other cherry is over here. So starting up here, let's draw the stem line down like this, curving line, and we'll stop right about there. And let's go back up where we started and leave a little space here, and we'll do the other side of the stem down like that. And let's do the line, the smile line, curved line where the stem goes into the cherry's body like that. And now let's draw the cherry's shape of the other cherry here. So actually we'll do this side first. Here we'll do a line that's curved and it touches this cherry like that. And now let's do the other one. Now this is a long line that's going to go all the way around and under. So starting here, let's go up, take your time. Oop. Got a little weird there. There we go. Here we go. Back. Sometimes it's hard to do these long lines that curve. And there's no mistakes, only doodles, so don't worry. This is just for fun. Drawing is fun. Okay, now let's do the face on this one. And we'll do an eye right about here. So just a circle like the other cherry. So a circle here. And we'll do a circle over on this side like this. And let's do our highlights. So a circle inside of a circle. And a circle inside of a circle. And let's color those in. Black. And now let's draw the mouth. So this is just a smile line in the middle. And it goes down like that. Maybe some little cheeks. Tongue. Let's color that in. And we'll do a little nose. And let's do our eyebrows. Oh, we forgot our eyebrows. Up like this.
Wow! I love how this drawing is coming together. Let's color it in.
I'm gonna make my cherry red, or my cherries red. You can make them any color you want. And let's do the tongue color, pink. And then let's do the stem. We'll do kind of like a brown color for the stem. And let's do a green for the leaves.
And remember, every artist signs their doodle. Keep drawing and have fun. Remember, there are no mistakes, only doodles. Bye! Ask your parents to like and subscribe.